What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be installing carbon fiber mirror caps on the C63. These are the carbon mirrors that I did pick up. Super nice. And they have, it's not full carbon, it does have the ABS plastic inside, but they are super nice, some good quality. If you do want to purchase these, I will put a link in the description, but let's go ahead and get right into the install. So when you are taking these mirror covers off on the 204, you do want to make sure that your mirror is folded in a little bit, because if this does catch on, you probably are gonna break that mirror. So just a word of caution right there, but they're fairly easy to get off. All you need to do is pull the bottom this way, and then you also have to pull up at the same time, and they should just pop right off. And after you get it unclipped, I had to do it off camera because I had no one to hold the camera. As you can see here, there is a clip in the middle, and there's also the turn signal wiring. But it just, when you slide on the cover, it plugs into there. So you don't have to worry about unplugging any wires. But now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take out this turn signal and I'm gonna put it on the new carbon fiber covers. And I'm pretty sure it's just a T10 bit. When you get the little T10 screws out, there's just two clips next to them that hold it into place. So when you are taking the turn signal out of it, on mine, there was a little bit of adhesive, so you do want to make sure you get like a little plastic tool and just carefully keep going back and forth to cut that adhesive loose. And once you do that, the turn signal, you can just finagle it out of here, just like that. I'm gonna put this on the new one. So I got the new one, the carbon fiber. I'm going from the, like this. Gotta kind of fish it in, flip it, make sure this looks good. Now that I got the turn signal back on, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back onto the car. It's a little snug, but it fits well. I'd rather it be snug than loose. Now that I got the passenger side done, I'm gonna go ahead and move to the driver's side. There is the final product. I think it looks really good. It's the other side. Super cool. Something else that I'm gonna do before I am done, I'm gonna turn on the hazards and make sure that these turn signals are working properly. And yeah, they're working, as you can see. That one's working as well. So we are good. If you guys did enjoy this video and you are excited to see more modifications to the C63, make sure you do smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit that post notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. That is gonna do it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.